Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from crypto.com to your UK bank account in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to launch your crypto.com application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Once you are here on the home page of your crypto.com account, you need to tap on the second tab of accounts here in the bottom. Now over here, if you tap on the option of crypto, you will find all of your cryptocurrencies that you have in your account. But since you want to withdraw your cryptocurrencies to your UK bank account, you need to tap on the option of open right next to cash. Once you do this, it is going to show you the section that says open a USD bank account. So if you are living in UK, you will be shown to open a GBP account. So here you need to tap on the option of continue in the bottom. After that, it is going to ask you to provide some of the details. So tap on the option of submit now over here. On the next page, you need to provide your banking related details like your country. Then you need to select your address and tap on the option of submit here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to upload the documents to verify your address. So here you need to provide these details and press next in the bottom. After that, it is going to show you some of the instructions relating to the document photographs that you need to upload. So you need to continue it and start uploading your banking related documents. So once you do this, once you have successfully linked your UK bank account, you will be able to easily withdraw your crypto from crypto.com to your bank account. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.